Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Galih Pajriansyah and I'm class TI 24A, Informatic Engineering.
Hello, my name is Reza Ariansah. I'm from class TI 24A. Good morning, Galih. Thank you for coming to this meeting. As you know, we need to finalize the framework selection for our new e-commerce project. Have you reviewed the option recently?
Good morning. After we analyze all three frameworks you proposed, I prepare some notes on each other one.
Excellent. Based on our final appointment, I believe React would be the most suitable option. It has a robust ecosystem and would allow us to develop the interface more efficiently.
I completely agree with your assessment, which does our significant advantage for this particular project. The component-based architecture will make our development process more streamlined.
Okay, I'm good. We are on the same page. Another factor to consider is the most of our team members already have experience here, which would minimize the learning curve.
Oh, that's absolutely correct. In addition to that, I'd like to point out that rich virtual DOM would help us deliver the performance benchmark the client is expecting.
You've raised an excellent point there. I had considered the performance benefit in detail.
Furthermore, I believe Bridge will integrate well with the backend systems that I currently have in place.
I could agree more that compatibility is crucial for this project success. Would you also agree that we should use Redux for step management?
Yes, that makes perfect sense. Redux will provide us with a predictable state management solution that will be essential given the complexity of this e-commerce platform.
Wonderful. I appreciate your input on this matter. Your technical expertise has been invaluable in confirming our approach.
I'm happy we will come to this agreement. I'm confident this is the right direction for the project success.
Jolly, I've been reviewing our project template and I think we need to push for an earlier delivery date. The client has requested we could complete the application in 6 weeks instead of 8. What do you think?
I appreciate you bring this to my attention. However, I have some concerns about shortening the timeline based on my technical assessment. 8 weeks is already an ambitious target given the complexity of the features required.
I understand your concern, but our competitors are offering faster delivery times. If we don't meet this request, we might lose the client.
I respect your perspective, but I disagree with rushing the development process. Quality would likely be compressed, and from the past experience, that will lead to more issues post deployment.
What if we add more developer to the team? Would that help us meet the software deadline?
I'm afraid I don't share that view. As for Brooks laws in software engineering, adding more developers to a late project often make it later. The onboarding time and increased communication overhead will actually slow us down.
That's an interesting point. Although I'm not entirely convinced what alternative would you suggest.
While I disagree with changing the overall timeline, I think we could propose a phrase delivery approach. We could deliver critical features in 6 weeks and remaining functionality by the 8 weeks mark. This will give the client something to work with earlier while maintaining our quality standard.
Okay, I see your point. I had considered a past approach.
Moreover, I must emphasize that rushing through the security implementation and testing phases will be exhausted, but our company and the client to significant risk that conversation I don't believe it worth making.
You have made some valid argument, Galih. While I initially disagree with your position, you have convinced me to reconsider. Let's develop a detailed past delivery plan to present to the client.
Yes, Mr. Reza, I appreciate your willingness to consider my perspective. I believe this approach will lead to a more successful outcome for everyone involved.
Okay, thank you for expressing your concern professionally. This is why this discussion are so valuable.
Yeah,